Alright guys, so I've been working on the surge tank here. So far I scraped away this, I guess it's supposed to be like a pad. Looks like it's been soaking up some grossness. But I scraped it away and I drilled a hole and I did the riv nut there. And then I drilled 2 more holes here. So basically it will be looking like that, and then I need to cut this down to size so that I can drill holes in this and then bolt this to the hole here. So then these 2 holes will bolt to the chassis or the body, and then this will bolt to here. Yep.
Smile. You're live.
Yep. Alright, so I'm going to put the riv nut in.
You said nut. I don't know if we can actually see that, but I'll try. We'll get the gist.
Okay. So then, make sure bolts thread down in there. That one looks good. Come on. That one's good too. Now I need to drill a hole for this and should be able to mount it. So I just put these hand tight so it's mounted, and then bring the camera over here. I have the plate mounted here, and I'm just going to mark off a hole where I need to drill, and then I'll be able to put a nut and bolt through there and be good. That's alright. So there you go. It's kind of like what it's going to be. I'm probably going to move this bar on top of this just so that the whole tank sits flush onto the ground. It's not tightened down all the way right now, but it kind of has a little bit of wiggle just because it's lifted up because I made a spacer so that it would be even on both sides. But anyway, that's mounted. So now I got to figure out where I'm going to drill to put these bulkheads to get my feed and return lines to the engine bay and back. Yay! So we have an RB25 head here, and we're going to be replacing the valve seals. So in order to do that, we have to take the spring, retainer, and keepers out. And I have this tool, but apparently the removal part of the tool is too big for this head. It doesn't fit down in there, so it's making it more difficult for us. But anyway, oh, we have an emergency alert. So in order for us to remove this, I have a socket here, and then I have it's actually a pretty strong magnet. It's a neodymium magnet that I'll just attach to the side of it there. And the end of this is magnetized, but like I said, it's too big to fit down in there. So we'll just use this to push down, and we'll wait for the keepers to come out. So what you do is you just press down like that, and pull up slowly, and there's the retainer and the 2 keepers. So I'll hand this off to Mike. Spring has the paint marks facing down. So then in order to get the valve seal out, let me show you what that looks like. The outside of the valve there's a seal, and it basically looks like these. So what we got to do is pull it out and put the other one in. And I have this removal tool, but it's a very tight fit down in there still, so just got to be careful in there. So now we need to get the valve seal out. Just go down there real slow and get a hold of it with the tool. Pull up. And we probably want to get like a rag or something down in there and clean that out. Let me get the valve out. So there's the valve. Okay. Okay. So we have a new valve seal. I'm going to spray it with some lube. Let's get some oil on there. Okay. And because this tool is so tight fit in there, a deep socket 10mm is an exact fit for pressing this down onto it. Okay. And then take my little rubber mallet. Okay. And it's seated. So then we need to put the valve back in. And we'll take a rag and ball it up and put it underneath where that valve is, and then put it back down. And then we'll
Let's go paint it side down.
Get the spring in there, painted side down.
Retainer.
Put the retainer. And then the keepers. These are tapered. So you see that it has like a little groove that's closer to one end that goes towards the top. And you can see that they're tapered and they're skinnier at the bottom than at the top. So don't want to lose these.
Nope.
Like that. So now the removal tool comes with another piece. This is like a little whatever you want to call it, retractable nose piece, and that goes in the middle there. And then what you want to do is you just want to press down at the same angle of the valve and wait for it to kind of click where the keepers go and hold the valve in. Oh, that time didn't work.
Hey, y'all, Daddy!
Okay, there we go.
Click.
And now it's back installed again. And that's the process of removing the keepers and basically how you take the valve out and everything and putting in new seals. So there you go. Alright, so we found another way. Instead of using our muscles, we use a big ass hammer. Boom. Look at that. Uh-oh.
I heard a keeper move.
You got both of them?
I think it went inside.
I heard something drop on the paper, I thought.
Yeah, I did too. I heard something drop, Jim. There it is. I don't know. Oh, it's in there. That's okay. We have lots of magnets.
I got it.
Cool. That's the first.
Yep.